This is going to be a fun time. I mean, usually I'm talking about sciatica or gas or something else, colon therapy, treatment for arthritis of the hip, etc., 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 but not today. This is what I call the believe it or not audio. So, cold drinks with meals. Cold drinks, hot water tends to carry through your digestive tract more readily to the colon. Cold drinks tend to stop digestive processes at the stomach. Do not drink iced water with or directly after meals if you want better digestion. Next subject, enriched bread. Take a perfectly good grain of wheat and remove the vitamins and the minerals. This leaves you with raw starch. Put back into the bread 3 dead synthetic vitamins, niacin, thiamine, and riboflavin. Add some inorganic iron and presto, enriched bread. Arrowroot for starch. When recipes call for starch, try using arrowroot instead of cornstarch. Arrowroot agrees better with babies because it is high in calcium and trace minerals. Arrowroot in ice cream imparts a vanilla flavor. Grapefruit and arthritis. Ordinary grapefruit is excessively alkaline. It aggravates arthritic and neurotic pains and promotes calcium deposits such as kidney stones and bursitis, etc. That's ordinary grapefruit. Now let's talk about Bran. Impairs calcium utilization. Wheat bran is an excellent source of fiber, but it is very high in phosphorus. If you have problems of low calcium or a frank calcium deficiency, that's what they call it, bran will make your problem worse. Use psyllium seeds and husks instead. Backache and Doan's pills. Doan's pills contain magnesium and aspirin. Muscles go into spasm when there's not too much calcium and not enough magnesium in the cell. Magnesium displaces calcium in the biochemical muscle contraction, causing the muscle to relax. Crib death. Although not proven, vitamin E is the most significant deterrent to crib death. Write that one down. During pregnancy, eat natural vitamin E from wheat germ, chlorophyll, etc., and continue eating vitamin E from standard process during breastfeeding. Vegetable oil. This is a good one. When a label says vegetable oil, it often means cottonseed oil. It's a heavily contaminated product, which is considered to be a strong contributing factor, listen closely, in cataracts. Vegetable oil, do not use it, and that includes cottonseed oil, because it could be a contributor to cataracts. Next, let's talk about eggs and cholesterol. Cholesterol is one of my favorite all-time subjects. A group of research doctors and dentists ate 2 organic eggs daily as part of a well-balanced nutritional program. After 12 years, mind you, there was a significant decrease in the serum cholesterol level of each individual that was eating 2 eggs a day. Now, I've eaten up to 8 eggs per day. Am I worried about cholesterol? No, there's nothing wrong with cholesterol. And cholesterol doesn't cause any problems with the heart. That's all a bunch of foo-foo. In my opinion, of course. In my opinion. But my opinion is very good. I could eat 12 eggs a day and it's not going to make any difference. Just so you know. And as you get older, I tell this to my patients, and don't you tell anybody. As you get older, you want your cholesterol to go up. Yes. Because if you take a statin drug, oh my gosh, you're going to have dementia, Alzheimer's, memory loss. Wow. But anyway, just my thoughts. Anyway, moving on. Butter, which is good, versus margarine, which is really bad. Vitamins E, F, and factor X are a joint anti-stiffening agent, are found in butter, but not in margarine. Vitamin C, vitamin F, and factor X. They help you stay more mobile. Let's just say it that way. You don't get as stiff. So there you go. That is the end of this particular audio, because I'm going to go to the next one, which I'm going to put online very, very soon. So get ready for that, because it's going to happen very, very soon. Thanks a lot. Keep listening. That's a wrap for our video today. And if you enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to hit the like button. It's like giving us a virtual high five, which we really like. And if you got something to say or an awesome idea to share, we'll do it. Drop a comment below. We love reading your thoughts. We really do. Most importantly, if you know someone who would love this video as much as you did, and I hope you did, share it with them. It could be a friend, it could be a family member, or even that one person who always makes your day brighter. Sharing is not just caring. It's also spreading knowledge and joy. So go ahead, spread the love, and let's keep this wonderful community growing. Until next time, this is Dr. Ivan Carney. Stay curious, stay awesome, and keep making a difference in the world.